Yeah, well, that plastic that Nikita likes to sit on right here is from this Easter basket that I got this year. Aw, bless you, Nikita. Yeah, but ever since I put that on the floor, she's been curious about it and sitting, and I hear that crackling of the plastic all the time. Yeah, I figured she would play with it. I would give it to her because I wasn't going to use it anyway. I was just going to recycle it, so that's what I usually do if she's not interested. I just end up, recycling it. But let me show you something else. This is all this stuff from Easter, too. That's Easter grass. And this here is the cardboard that they use. They stuff it in the Easter basket. I don't know if you know this, but at least the one that I got, they stuffed it in there to prop up the candy. And then they use tape to hold it in place. I don't know if any of you know that, but some Easter baskets, they do use cardboard, to do that. That's where this cardboard is from. Same Easter basket. See, right here, hold on. This is part of it, too. And then this is another piece. Let's see how she reacts. You don't want to play with this, Nikita? Huh? Yeah, I figured she would. Sorry, excuse me. I kind of have sniffles. Well, that's all I wanted to show you for this video. So, say goodbye, Nikita. Okay, bye everybody.